Okay. Oh gosh. Welcome back to Christina's Garage, Gearhead in Training. I have been putting this off for a while now. I need to change the headlight housings and the headlights for my truck. It is bright outside right now, but only this one and this one are working. I haven't been driving it at night to avoid doing this project. It's going to be super easy to do. I have done taking the headlight housings out before. The part that I have like a little bit of PTSD about is the finger strength to be able to do the little clasps you're going to be able to see in just a second. I ordered the headlight housings off of Summit's website and it came super quickly. These have been sitting in my garage for a couple months now just because I've been avoiding it. Oh, come on. Where is a demonstration that their packing tape actually works well? I could not do it with my fingers. Probably could have, but it did not feel very good. All right, these are the ones that I got. I have not used these before. I have not changed the headlight housings before, so I do not know how good they're going to be. I guess you guys will find out. Oh, if you guys are curious how they work and stuff, just feel free to drop a comment and I can give a follow-up after I've used them for a little bit. I do not remember if they come with the actual light bulbs inside based on only like 2 of my lights working. I'm pretty sure I need new light bulbs as well. Let's see. It's kind of cool to see how they're packaged. They have like I think it's like it's suctioned to be perfectly fit. So this is one side, and it does look like it does come with light bulbs. That's a good thing. An O-ring or a seal. This box wasn't so nicely cushioned. It still looks like it was, like if you jogged them around a little bit, it wouldn't, or jostled them, they'd be pretty secure. Another set of the plastic rings. These ones do not come with the bulb. I believe these are the bottom ones. Probably would have been smart for me to set up a table so I'm not bending and kneeling so much. It doesn't feel good on my back when I do that. Yeah, the top ones are definitely well packaged to protect them. Yeah, this one also comes with the top. So the 2 top ones comes with the top. The 2 top ones do come with the bulbs. I'm gonna partially put this back away just so that they're sitting nicely. I'm gonna put the razor away so I don't pop anything. And what I might end up doing is I might need to go to the store to get the bulbs for the 2 bottom ones. I am really happy the top ones came with the bulbs. When I was doing the intro for this video, I realized how dirty my truck is. So I am taking it through the car wash right now. I called my local Napa and it seems like they have the bulbs that I need. Cody was so helpful. He actually printed out a diagram, which is, oh, upside down. Perfect for me because I didn't know what each one was for. The top one that I have includes the high beam and low beam and an amber reflector. The amber reflector doesn't have a light bulb in it. In this housing, it came with the bulbs. These are the bulbs that I needed to get. The parking light, which is this tiny one, miniature lamp, BP 194N. And the turn light signal, which is the BP 3457NAN. And then the daytime running light, which is the BP3157N. So hopefully I have all the parts. Let's go back home and install them. We have this metal piece that it just locks in here. Unclip it, and in order to get it out from underneath this, I don't know what that piece is called, but you kind of have it go underneath and then pull it right out. Set that off to the side and just lift this out. Now these clasps are where I struggled before. Let's see if, because I've done it before, will it be easier? Oh, well, I pulled these out when I did the body mounts, because in order to get to the front body mount, you need to get under here, which you need to take out both. There we go. Now that completely came out. I'm not going to put the new one in yet because I need to do this one first. Ouch. Now there is, I think it was like a clip. So this pops out here. And there's a clip inside here. I'm actually going to use a screwdriver. It's right under here. Don't know if you can see it with the light shining. Right under here, it's a clip. And if you have strong enough fingers, you're able to get that out quickly. I'm probably going to need to use this. There we go. I was just using the flathead to put pressure on it. Oh yeah, you don't have to take out this piece. I almost was trying to take out this piece. It's just a separator. I don't know the actual proper term for that. Now you're able to slide this out. So this was the part that I really had trouble with before. These are where the lights are. It's got a little clip that you just kind of twist. That comes out. This one's the same. So you push on this and then twist it to pull it out. And this one, this one's just a twist. And you pull that out. Now, this whole light housing comes right out. Simple, simple. We got the new housing. I need to replace the bulbs first. I'm using one of each. And one thing Cody mentioned is with this bulb, you need to make sure that you're using gloves. Just any of the bulbs. If you get the, what is it? Not the wax, the oils from your fingers on it, it's more likely going to burn out sooner. And especially since with this bulb, it doesn't have like these ones have the black part at the bottom. This doesn't have that. So with this, I just line up, as you see how it's shaped to match that. Just put it without breaking it. And that's why he was so concerned about the oils, because in order to put it in, you really have to touch the bulb. All right, this one just popped right out as well. And the new kit came with a new rubber thing. Let's put that on there. Take this one off. Put the new one on. And then place this new bulb right in there like that. Perfect. The options that he said, so it depends on the type of housing you have. You either get the clear bulb or the amber bulb. And the only way you'd know is the type of housing. Because my housing is clear, the turn signal is going to have to be a different color. Some of the housings might have a colored on the housing, so this one could also be clear because the housing itself is a different color. For my particular car and the headlight housings that I chose, I need the amber for this turn signal. Now we're going to repeat the process on this one without cracking the bulb. Come on. Ah, there we go. I'm going to take the rubber piece off to replace that. It is definitely a great feeling that it's not as difficult for me as it was the first time. I think because I'm getting a little bit more experience. There we go. Okay, that's in there, that's in there. All new lights have been replaced here. And with the other housing, those light bulbs are already in the actual housing, so I don't have to replace the bulbs, just attach this in. I'm gonna put this one, oh, here, let's, so you have to like angle it in because this right side goes into this hole over here. Try not to pinch the bulbs now that I have all brand new bulbs in there. I don't want to go back to Napa again, although Cody was very helpful. I just don't want to take another trip to the store. Let's see if I can move these out of the way as much as possible. That way I don't squish nothing. Ah! Watch. Oh, goodness. Okay, I didn't crack it. All right, well, I guess I'm going to just try to put it maybe over there. Yeah, I'm struggling here. Okay. Got to get this right side tucked in there. This is the right side, right? Yeah, it's in the right location. I really hope it fits. Hopefully it's not... Oh, no. No. Does it not actually fit? How? Oh, I'm so silly. I was trying to put the wrong one. That was the wrong side. No wonder it wasn't fitting. Okay, all right. Now this one is going to fit. I was like, what is happening here? Okay. Oh, no. Oh, gosh. Well, I'm trying to stick this to the side, and it's obviously struggling. The time it will take you to do this is going to be significantly less than me. Oh, man. I'm happy I chose to do this earlier in the morning because it's supposed to be like 100 degrees, 100 and something plus today. Okay, putting this in here. This kind of locks in here. Now I'm going to put the bulbs in before I latch that in. I want to make sure I get the bulbs properly seated in the housing. Okay, and I just gotta twist it back and it locks in. You probably hardly heard it. It just made a little clicking noise. Same thing with this one. I'm going to line it up and then just, you're gonna hear it click. Oh, I went too far. Yeah, it's, oh, well, I think it's in there. It made a clicking noise, but, oh, goodness gracious. Because I haven't completely locked it in yet on the other side. Well, I don't think it's going to completely lock in, but I don't think it's going to go anywhere. It feels like it's pretty locked in place. Now this one is going to go right down at this bottom corner here. Twist that one in as well. sweating. I think I got that. It feels like it's locked in. Okay, so now watch this part. This is just gonna snap in and then it's gonna lock everything else in place. There we go. Now that light is locked in. Now to do the upper one. Let's make sure I actually pick the right one this time because, nope. Nope, this is the opposite side. Okie doke. Now, as I said before, this one already has the bulbs in there. It should be pretty easy. You just take the wire, plug it in here, latch it in, and it makes like a click. Place it in here. I'm gonna take the plastic off. And then maybe I actually got too excited with, there we go. Okay, that wiggles in. Take the metal bar. And now this, we're gonna line up the holes. Wow, it's so much cleaner, it's crazy. Obviously because it's brand new, so it's not like crazy in that way. Just I'm not used to it looking that clear. Now all I gotta do is line this up. I've never had this one in my car before, so trying to get the holes to cooperate is going to be my biggest feat. Because this almost feels like, there we go. Oh, come on. Okay, so got that one. Now just without breaking all the plastic. Pushing it all the way through to get through this last hole. We have success. Yes, okay. Now we're gonna repeat the process on the other side. It definitely took more than 20 minutes because of my inexperience. Overall, it was really simple to do. I was able to do it by myself. I didn't have anybody here with me today. Let's turn on the lights and see what they look like in comparison. And then now well, why aren't those working? Is it because it's daytime? Because the light was on earlier. Hopefully I didn't mess something up. Okay, these ones on the corner are working. So I'm pretty sure all of them are looking great. I'm going to be posting this video before I test it out at night. If you guys want to see it, let me know. But like, this looks way better. I'm super happy with them so far. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Oh my gosh. It's all gross. It's definitely hot today. I appreciate you guys so much. If you want to stick along for more fun adventures, more me learning DIY, and you guys learn with me, subscribe to my channel, turn on your alerts so that you can be notified when my next video drops, and I'll see you guys next time.